Oh, good afternoon, ma. How may I help you? Oh, okay. Just put your name and your account number on the teller and give it to me. Thank you. Next customer, please. I'm not taking deposit. Next customer. Bros. See, we didn't love how you show us love every time you come here. No, show us love today. You know, show us. Thank you, bros. It has to be good now. Madam, you have to place a phone call to the issuer of this check so we can get a phone call verification, because without the confirmation of this check, we will not be able to process the transaction. So you buy rice, 150, plantain, 50. If she get beans, no be water beans, so beans 50 and 4 meat. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'll be with you, sir. Make she no put oil for my food. I know the chop oil. Sorry, sir.